Hello everyone, this is Amjad Sharif, your tutor. I thought I'll spend some good time with my kid teaching Python, and that's the way I started it. And I thought it is fun to record it as well, hence this lecture series. And probably you have seen new CEOs are few CEO tech CEOs are saying by the time software programming itself is going to be obsolete and there is no point of teaching programming to kids or even studying programming. So that's something is getting circling around. So yes, to a degree there is a certain truth to it. Yeah, it will happen. When it will happen, these are certain uncertainty to it, right? So the intention of the lecture series is not to teach coding so that the kids get a programming or software job. That's not at all the intent. The intent is to build critical thinking in the children, right? So if I categorize the reasons like this, so first reason is it's a new skill. Whenever people learn a new thing like probably singing, drawing, painting, cycling, certain neuron connections get built and makes kids smarter even for adults. Second thing is the core thing, it builds a critical thinking. Programming is more of a problem solving. People interact how to solve a particular problem, how to address a challenge, right? And there is a lot of inference, logic, creativity, and people ask a lot of questions, and it builds a habit and mindset of asking the question, going for a reasoning, evaluating, right? So these are the few things. It will help in the logic building, and it's more of a kind of a math is actual purest form of critical thinking, right? And you build such a amazing abilities in math, but programming is to a large degree you build those critical thinking without going into the such a core raw constructs, and it's more of a subtle concept, soft concepts, and it's more fun to learn this critical thinking by in another interface called programming, right? So it's also like a math, and it makes uh, children to build a way uh, to cultivate critical thinking, right? That's the reason I have chosen the course name as a critical thinking. And third and final thing is it's a fun to build uh, and have that experience. Instead of having a screen time to watch something, you can actually build something. The joy and sense of accomplishing something is a it's very empowering, and it will leads to other ways, right? The kids whoever feels, even when I learned programming, building a calculator myself and running the code and seeing now I have built my own calculator is a lot of fun. I built a small game myself is also a lot of fun, right? And it's a more interactive and enjoying way of building things, and at the same time it's a core purest form of interacting with the computer, right? So whatever the way technology evolves, these are the few primitive principles that you are going to interface, and it's good to have that kind of awareness and knowledge to building up, right? These are the three reasons, and broadly, and that's I'm planning to intend to do. I hope it's going to be interesting journey. One more thing about myself is I have studied in IIT Madras computer science, and I worked in Flipkart or Amazon as a software developer. So rest assured, I'm a well qualified trainer. So that yeah, that's it pretty much. Yeah, thanks everyone. I hope kids have a great time. Bye.